Craving perfectly crispy and delicious chicken wings without the guilt? Today, I'm sharing the ultimate way to make mouth-watering chicken wings right at home using an air fryer. To get started, you'll need some fresh chicken wings, your favorite seasoning mix, olive oil, and an air fryer. Simple ingredients, amazing results. First, toss your wings in olive oil to ensure they get that beautiful golden brown crispiness. Then, generously season them with your go-to spices. Whether it's a spicy kick or a savory blend, make sure every wing is well coated. Now it's time to let the air fryer work its magic. Arrange the wings in a single layer, giving them enough space to cook evenly. Set the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through for even crispiness. Look at that, perfectly crispy wings without any deep frying. The air fryer locks in all the flavors and keeps them juicy on the inside while giving you that perfect crunch on the outside. Serve them up with your favorite dipping sauce, ranch, blue cheese, or a spicy sriracha mayo, and you're all set for a feast. These wings are perfect for game day parties or just a delicious snack. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy and delicious cooking tips. Let us know in the comments how your wings turned out and what seasoning mix you used. Happy cooking! For more delicious recipes, visit cookscraftery.com. Happy cooking!